Now question 25 is a tough grade C question because there are so many numbers that we have to deal with. Unfortunately, that is the case in maths. Now we're told that Athena recorded the times in minutes taken to repair 80 car types. Now don't ignore that because that's a really useful piece of information right from the start. Now information about these is given in a table, and then we're told that there were 15 car types that had a time to repair between 0 and 6 minutes. We don't know exactly how long, but they were somewhere in that bracket. 25 took between 6 and 12, 20 took between 12 and 18, and so on. Now, because we don't know exactly how long these 15 cars took to repair, somewhere between 0 and 6, we make a bit of an estimate and we say we're going to take the midpoint of those values. Okay, so the midpoint of 0 and 6 is 3. The difference is 6, so halfway is 3. So the difference between 6 and 12 will give me 9. Between 12 and 18 will give me 15. Between 18 and 24 will give me 21. And between 24 and 30 is 27. Okay, now we're trying to make an estimate for the mean time taken to repair each car type. So we want to find an estimate for the total time taken to repair each car. So we're going to do that by multiplying the midpoint by the frequency. And so what we're saying here is that if these 15 cars took a time of 3 minutes, then the total time for those would be 45. If these 25 took 9 minutes, that's a total of 225. 20 times 15 is 300. 12 times 21 is 252. And 8 times 27 is equal to 216. So my estimate for the mean is equal to the total time taken, which is the total of this column here. So when we add that up, we find that there is 738 minutes, or at least an estimate of 738 minutes, divided by the total number of cars. Now the total number of cars, we were told right at the start, that was 80. That would be confirmed if we added up all these numbers as well. So I don't need to use this column anymore, I don't need to use this column anymore, it's this one and this one, but you should have got that information from the start. So it's 738 divided by 80, whack it into your calculator, and we get 9.225 minutes. There we go. A lot to take in there, so do read back over that again, listen to it again if you need to. Key thing is to understand why we're doing each part, because you'll never remember that just by a method in the exam.